Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. Number 28 we can put into 25 plus 3. This one that is about identity, and we have s plus 5 to the power of 2. Next, we need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So, I will put about s plus 5 equals to the square root of number 3 tan t. Because if I put this one gone here, we have 3 tan t square, number 3 and number 3. We can do about factorization. Because we still have s, so I will put number 5 go to the right. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. The integration of tan t, we have secant of t square. This one, that is about the constant, so you got 0. So I will put this one gone here. The s we change by this one. S we change by this one. So this one we have 3 tan t square. Number 3 and number 3, we can do about factorization. This one we change by secant of t square. Later that, we simplify on numerator and denominator. Next, the square root of number 3 and number 3 we put outside. So number 3 multiplied by this one. So this one we have negative number 21. Tan t we change by sin t over cosine t. And now we have the final answer. The integration of this one, we have negative ln of the absolute value of cosine t. Next one we have t, and I will put about c. About t, that is about this one. So we divide both sides by the square root of number 3. And now we can find the value of t. So I will put this one to change for t. That is the end. Thank you for watching.